Hey everybody, happy Wednesday, hump day. Okay, so there used to be this guy that came into my office every single Wednesday. And back when I worked at the electric company, and he would go, hump day, and I'd be like, oh my gosh, that's so annoying. But now every Wednesday, I do that. So I know it's so annoying. But anyway, it's hump day. We're getting closer to the weekend. And actually, me and my kids are about to go, and my husband, can't forget him, we're about to go to Chuck E. Cheese, okay? So we're literally about to leave in a minute, and I just wanted to pop on and do a quick craft because, you know, there's priorities around here. Okay, so here's what we're doing today. I'm going to try to be short and to the point. I have a wood plaque bunny from Dollar General, $2. Dun, 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 $2, okay? So, we're gonna do what any good crafter would do. We are going to, and it doesn't matter which way you go on this, okay? So I'm doing it this way. We're gonna cover the bunny, okay? So what I'm gonna do while y'all are deciding and while I wait to see your answers is I'm gonna go ahead and get stuff ready for my bow, okay? So if you're familiar with the Re-Fabbed bow, what we always do is start out with our wired ribbon on the bottom. Doesn't have to be wired, but it does help, okay? So I've got this burlap with the polka dots. It's so cute. I'm gonna take 2 pieces of that so we can crisscross those, and that can be our base. This came from Hobby Lobby a while back. And then I just grabbed a bunch of different ribbons from the craft room before I ran out here like a mad woman, okay? So we've got this, because this is just cute. Cut us a couple of these up. My scissors are not wanting to act right today. I do not know why. They've been good ones for me, but I think they're about to bite the dust. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I've got this. How cute is that? I only have 1 piece of this, so we're only gonna have 1 piece of this one. I'm out of that, okay? Doing that. So I'm going to trace my bunny. It does not matter which way you do it, okay? The bunny's gonna just be looking one way or the other, so just flip that bad boy over and start tracing. So I'm just gonna trace it. I've got this pen here, it's actually orange. It doesn't matter, you're not gonna see it. Just doing like a kindergartner over here, tracing it. And then we're gonna cut it out. So we've got our bunny. He's striped. That's what y'all picked out. I think it's really cute. Good choice, guys. And we're gonna Mod Podge it on here. I mean, it's really that simple. And then we're gonna add his tail, and we're gonna do all the things. So we're gonna get him just like this, her, okay? So I have my little thing of Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. So I just put Mod Podge all over the bunny. So now I'm just gonna put the bunny over the Mod Podge. And I have a lot of people say, isn't that just like glue? Very similar, yes. But it's a little different. So then I'm just gonna flatten it out. So here we have our bunny. Now, if I had more time and I was kind of doing this on my own and not trying to hurry along, because I know y'all don't want to sit and watch forever, I would go ahead and take a sanding block and sand the edges down to give it kind of a little more distressed look. Okay, so I've got my cute bunny, and now I'm gonna make my bow because I want him to have a little bow around his neck, okay? So this is the Re-Fabbed bow, the simplest bow you'll ever make. You will take 2 strips of burlap. I like the wired kind, it just seems to do really well, and you will just crisscross those 2 like this, okay? Then just lay it down, and then you simply take all of your ribbon and just keep crisscrossing it. And you can use as much ribbon as you want. In fact, the more the better, because it really looks cute when you have a bunch of different ribbon. I don't have that much with me today, so I'm just doing a little bit. And I only have 1 piece of this, so I'm just gonna put 1 on there. And then I'm gonna go ahead, okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead, I've got a thing full of twine over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a piece to go across the center. So all I've done is crisscross all my ribbon, if you're new here. And then I put a piece of twine or a piece of thin ribbon across the top, flip it over, and tie it really tight. Like just so tight. Just like that. And you can even make that sound if you want to. Okay? Then you have a fun little bow. See? And you can, if you want to glue some of it down to make so where it doesn't like flop as much, you can, but so and she's getting a big bow. I didn't realize how big the bow was. Look, we might need to trim it down a notch, but I don't know. We'll just see. We're going to hot glue the bow right across the neck. And then if we want to trim it down, if we think it's too over the top, then we can trim it down. That's not a big deal. Let me grab my cordless glue gun from the floor. And I'm just going to put a whole lot of glue on the back of this bow. And then glue it down on his neck. Her neck. I'm sorry, I keep calling it a he. Doesn't really matter, but. So we got a big old honking bow on the bunny. In fact, it covers his whole face. So let's trim it down a little, okay? I got carried away. You know, I kind of go with that motto, the bigger the bow, the better the mom, and all that kind of stuff. I've always done that with my daughter too, bless her heart. She always had big bows too, but they were precious. And I hear her laughing. I guess she heard me say that. So I got carried away on her bow too, this bunny bow. But you know what the great thing about a craft is? And the great thing about a bow, you can trim it down. So that's what we're going to do. We're just trimming it up a little bit. It's still going to look cute being oversized. We don't want a little bow, but we just kind of, this one went a little overboard. Okay. So I'm just kind of trimming it up. I'm not worrying if it's equal or anything like that. Who has time to worry about silly stuff like that? Taking a little extra time that I wasn't thinking it would, but no big deal. Okay. Oh, okay, so here we go. This is the joy of live crafting, okay? Okay, so this is better, okay? This is so cute, but we are not done because is he supposed to have a striped tail or a white cotton tail? Yep, we've got the jumbo cotton balls right here. I keep these in my craft stash. Never know when you're gonna need some cotton balls. So I'm gonna take 2 cotton balls. So we're gonna kind of put these 2 together and make a big old bunny tail.
Boy.
What? Nice.
Can I show them?
No. No.
Why? Can I show them?
No, Eden, not right now. Okay. Just a second, I'm almost done. Okay, so here we are. We got a big, I put 2 together so it had some extra fluff on his bunny tail. How cute is this? I'd say this one's a winner, wouldn't you? So I appreciate y'all being here, and I appreciate the support that you always give and the way you sprinkle our videos and just show me love. I appreciate it so much. Y'all are awesome. I'll be back sometime. Who knows when? I never even know. So enjoy your hump day. Bye, guys.